Hey everybody, welcome back to the Fox Shop. I'm going to give you a little quick update here that might seem a little strange. I'm going to explain a couple of things. I'm not going into a lot of detail. One thing, I went to the doctor today, that big lump on my arm. I don't know. I went and saw the doctor today and have to have that surgery basically totally redone. They're going to cut it open. It's kind of a long story. He doesn't know what's going on with it. It's kind of hard and not like a hematoma where the blood will get reabsorbed back into your skin. Don't know if there might be a little piece of something still in there. He doesn't think it looks infected or anything, but yeah, same thing I went through before. Gotta be not totally put under, but the twilight thing, which felt to me like being totally put under. And they're going to cut that open and clean it all out and hopefully find something else in there because it's not getting any better and it kind of hurts, especially when I bump it on something or anything. And it's, if you barely touch it, it's numb. But at other times it burns and stings, so there's something going on there. As far as the truck, guys, I'm sorry. I have not been making much progress on that. There's a lot going on. I'm just going to put it out there. I don't even know if I should, but we have legal custody of a 2-year-old little girl. Just cute as could be, and because her parents got in a little bit of trouble. I'm not going to say with what, but they got in a little bit of trouble. And there's also a 5-year-old son that is living with her. Well, they call me Papa, so he's living with, I can't really explain it all. He, like the stepdad to the daughter of the mother of him, and he has custody of her right now. We're going to have custody of both of them. Then hopefully they both get their shit straightened out and they have 50-50 custody, so it's been a lot, guys. Me and Leanna both, I'm just going to tell you, I'm 56 years old. Leanna she's younger than I am by a few years. And we don't want to do this. Not long term. We just can't. We just don't want to do it. And so there's a lot been going on. DHS, God, 3 people came out today. Had to go through the whole house and everything, make sure everything was okay, and everything is okay. And so yeah, we have custody of a 2-year-old and soon to be once he gets out of school, a 5-year-old. And then her son's moving in with his, I'm just going to say it, new girlfriend. And they're on the straight and narrow. I can say that. They are on the straight and narrow. He wants his kids back. He just got a really good job. And he wants his kids back. So, hopefully, sounds like it might go on for another couple of months. I have a little bit of a problem with that, with getting my daughter down here, because I don't think she really wants to deal with that, and that's not fair to her. But I don't know what to do. They had no place to go, nothing to do, trying to help him out. He's got a really good job. Hopefully, he makes good money. Just started it, and hopefully it is going to be short term, because I am flat out not going to do this not going to do this long term. We are not raising these kids, and if they don't do what DHS tells them to do, flat out, we don't have much say. We don't have much skin in the game on that. They're pretty strict, and those kids are, they're going to well, they're going to pay the price, because they're going to be taken away, and who knows where they're going to go. So a lot of stress going on here right at the moment. And to be honest, money is running a little short. I can't explain all that. I can explain one part. Leanna, she lost her job for absolutely no reason, like 4 months ago, but she has a really good job that she starts, but it's not till the middle of June. Me, on the other hand, I'm not going into it all. Well, I can say a little bit. Dad retired, and I don't have the finances to take over this whole farm operation, and so he rented out the ground, and the farming stuff is over, I guess. There may be some in the fall, but not like it was. So I know it's probably hard to understand, and maybe I'm not explaining it very well. I'm kind of frustrated, and yesterday and the day before I was really kind of upset about a lot of things. I feel a lot better today after DHS and, well, 2 other people, the people that are managing the whole thing, came out. So I haven't got a lot done on this. There's just a lot of life going on right now. So anyway, and then I have to get this stupid thing taken care of, and I don't know what's going on there. Leanna says I need to do what they say, but they say you can't lift anything or push anything or pull anything for, over 5 pounds, for at least a couple of weeks. I'm going to have to have it. It's going to be cut open, have it all wrapped up again and everything, and I'm not really looking forward to that. But I can have a scar, but I don't want this big ugly lump on here that I don't know what's going on. But so I'm just trying to lay it in. I do want to get back to work on this thing. There's a lot going on right now behind the scenes, and I think a lot of people don't get that. But anyway, guys, I'm kind of just blabbing on and just kind of stressed out about things. Yesterday I was really stressed out about things, and then after the DHS guys came, they're really nice, but at the same time they are not going to put up with any, they're not going to put up with any bullshit. Either it happens or it doesn't, and that's not really up to us. That's up to the kids as parents. We're trying to help as much as we can, and I don't know. I need honestly, I need to find a job too, and it doesn't even have to be a extremely high paying job, although I do have education where I thought I had a job, it was like 75, 80,000 a year, which isn't extreme, but thought it was a good job, and it was doing truck accessories and stuff I'm interested in, but haven't heard anything back. So evidently that fell through, and it might be because there's been 10 years where I've been working for my dad, and out of the mechanical design engineering things, it was actually an engineering job. And I told them I'm not an engineer, but they said I have the experience for it, and I thought everything sounded really good. but I haven't heard back from him. So I think that's probably falling through. So guys, I'm just trying to give you a little update, but this stupid thing, just from a little splinter over on this door, and I think it came from, I mean, my arm is, about the same height as that door. It might have come from right in here. Some of this, I mean, this is old. It gets rained on. There's probably birds that get up in here, and who knows what's on there. And it got it all infected and everything, and something is not right. So pretty much have to go through that whole surgery again. Well, that's what it is. I talked to the doctor, and he was like, yep, we're going through the whole surgery again. So I'm gonna have a arm all wrapped up. I'm gonna have a really nice tan line on my arm. But anyway, whatever. I really don't care. I told him I don't care if I have a scar. I just don't want this big bump on my arm. It hurts. It feels like it burns, stings. If I bump it on something, it really hurts. So there's either something still in there or something the doctor didn't. He was feeling it and everything. He really didn't know what was going on. So same old stuff. Gonna have to be kind of put under, and they're gonna cut it open, dig all that stuff out of there, and see if they find anything. But so not real happy with, not getting much done on here, but also have a lot of other life going on right now. And I mean, things are okay. Leanna and I are great. Her son is great. His new girlfriend, she seems really good, and she's gonna help out with the kids and everything. And I know I'm just walking around talking right now, but I'm frustrated, and not near as frustrated as yesterday. But anyway, guys, I'm putting this out there, and this is going way. I'm at 12 minutes right now. This is way too long. So I will get back to work on this. Leanna says once I get this second surgery down on my arm, I need to do what they tell me, because I really didn't, as far as lifting and doing stuff, and I don't know. It's not like it's a muscle. It's just a ugly ass thing right there. So I don't know, but she says I need to do what they tell me to do, and she has medical experience and stuff. So I'm gonna try doing that, and hopefully everything goes okay. We can get back to work on this thing. I just kind of down and out, but they're at the store right now. We're gonna have a crab boil tonight, so I gotta end this. We're going way too long. So guys, I am gonna start making more videos. There's a lot of life going on right now. So hope you're all having a good night. Have a good Memorial weekend. Right here in central Iowa, it is not going to be very warm out today, or this whole weekend. It's going to be kind of like this, and a chance of rain, and I think in the 60s, maybe 70 tomorrow, but I don't think the sun's going to be out. So I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, guys, I'm going to cut this off. We're going way too long, and I hope you stay tuned. We are going to get going on this. It's just life stuff. So have a good night, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.